The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. Here you can see the tools that you will need to change the heating elements for the drop sauna heater. First thing you need to do is to turn off the electricity from your electrical panel. Make sure that it is not possible to switch on your heater by pushing the control panel button. When you're sure that the sauna is disconnected from the power, please remove the stones from your heater to get access to the heating elements and make the heater lighter to remove it from the wall. Start with unscrewing the safety bolt at the top right of the heater. Gently lift the heater a bit and pull it towards yourself. Now you can rest the heater on the ground. Remove the heat reflector by lifting it a bit and moving it away from the heater. Unscrew the bottom screw with a 7mm socket to remove the heater connection box cover. We recommend taking a picture of the connections before you start disconnecting the heating elements, so you can check it later to minimize the chance of possible faulty connections. Now, disconnect the wires from the broken heating element. There are 2 wires connected to each heating element. Make sure to remove both of them. It is time to release the heating element by removing the screw that holds it in position. Use an 8mm socket to unscrew this. Pull out the heating element. Before you can install the new heating element, you have to remove a fixing bolt first, or it won't fit. Place the new element in the exact spot from where you removed the old one. Use the new screw that you removed from the new heating element to secure the new heating element in its place. Reconnect the wires the same way you took them off from the old heating element. Use the picture you took earlier. Reinstall the heating connection box cover. Be sure to use the original screw. Put the heat reflector back. Now you can install the drop sauna heater back to the wall. Secure it with the safety bolt. Turn on the electricity and check if all the heating elements work. To do that, turn on your heater and wait for all of the heating elements to start glowing red. And then turn the heater off. Turn the electricity off again and wait for the heating elements to cool down. Then start putting the stones back into the heater. Use bigger stones at the bottom and to the sides, and smaller between the heating elements to fix them in place and to other tight places. Make sure that the heating elements are not visible when you finish placing the stones in your heater. Turn the electricity back on and you are ready to enjoy your sauna. For further questions, please visit our website www.HUUMsauna.com or contact your local reseller.